All right, we at the last spot. It's called the Shrine. They had a church, but they said it was closed, so I skipped it. It's fog. Oh, it's foggy. So this is called the Shrine. I know you need a plate. Wine. Wine with blood. They drank wine with blood, y'all. Brotherhood. And then that's it. That's the shrine, y'all. Hey.
Magaling, aray ko na, karga na. Ito yung sundot tulangot. Ang lalaki.
Yan,
Yung
sir.
delicacy, bowl delicacy. Kalamay.
Ito sa. Ito yung
Pag sa
ito yung
Baguio,
original na
sundot
lagayan, sir.
tulangot. Maliit dito, ang
Pag
laking
gusto mo yung
tulangot.
mura-mura lang, ganito, sir.
Magkano isang ganito?
150 po.
So, hindi siya pwedeng uncarry.
It's chicken talaga, sir. Kailangan dapat may bagahe kayo, sir. May chicken baggage kayo sa ticket niya.
Okay.
Kainin ko lang, sir.
Also yung, ano, also yung peanut pieces. From yung,
And that's it. That's the shrine, y'all. That's the end of my tour. All right. I just finished the tour and I had a great time. Hi out there. Hello. Good evening. So I feel like getting some shake.
I love the snake or something.
Hi. Do you make watermelon shake?
Yes, sir.
Can I have one?
Sir.
Makana.
One watermelon shake. Yeah. Please have a seat, sir. We'll just serve it.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
I'm gonna put this in my room first. Come back. Thanks. All right. So as I was saying about my excursions, for 3,500 pesos, it was all worth it. You know, I didn't go to the church. I didn't stop at the church. Yo, what up, kitty? What you want? What you need? Let's get on this swing. Yeah, buddy. I wonder if they have gym. Let me ask that lady. Let me ask if they have a gym. Hi, do they have? You have a gym here? Gym, like to work out. Oh, okay. I want. Gusto kong pumunta sa nearest town. Aloha. Alona.
My tricycle po
Is it safe to go?
Yes, yes.
Okay. How do I go?
By tricycle, sir.
I just call like, hey, ganun.
Sorry.
Hindi ngayon. Later, yeah. Yeah. Salamat. Magkano?
Usually, sir, 100 to 100.
Okay.
You're
Okay.
alone, sir? Same price for 1 to 3 people.
Oh, okay. Yung trip, 1 to 150. Okay. Can I buy souvenirs doon?
Yes, sir. May mga souvenir shop naman doon.
Okay. Alright. Salamat. There you go. So I'm gonna go check out that town. And
Enjoy your watermelon.
salamat. Thank you. Let me see what kind of mango they got. Wait. Oh, by the way, that's my shake.
Actually, Filet ist das eigentlich Fischfilet.
I think I'll try. Meron kayong ice cream?
What?
Meron kayong ice cream? Yes.
As of now, sir, the flavor that we have is vanilla, chocolate, and mango. Is that
Can I
okay?
have this with ice cream?
Yeah, sure. Sorry. It comes with ice cream already. 1 scoop.
Can you make two?
Sure, we will just add it. It's
Okay.
okay, sir.
This.
So you want it? As of now, we have like mango. It's okay, mango crepe.
Ano bang regular crepe?
Mango,
Oh, mango.
and banana. But
No
today
banana?
yes, today we have mango.
Oh,
But
that's
it's
fine.
it's good, sir.
Sige. Right.
What is the flavor for the ice cream, sir?
All vanilla. No, give me one vanilla, one chocolate.
Okay, sir.
We're gonna try the crepe. The crepe. That's good.
I can make, but they are the one to.
Salamat. Thank
But
you.
sir, enjoy.
This is gonna be working right here. That looks good. Not bad, not bad. So this is mango crepe with vanilla and chocolate ice cream. So let me take the time out to say thank you. I'd like to say thank you to 3 people. Me, myself, and I would like to thank y'all because it wouldn't have been possible to live this and experience this type of situation. And I would like to experience this more. So, with that being said, it's possible you could travel, just, you know, work hard for the first 3 months, 6 months, 3/4, or even the first year, and just save, man. Saving $50 every time you get paid. If you get paid for 52 weeks every week, or, you know, bi-weekly, or even per month, you could enjoy. You know, you could experience what I'm experiencing, and you don't have to be wealthy. But of course, that's what I'm trying to aspire. But you don't have to be wealthy to travel. Just have some money on the side, and I think it's possible. I mean, I'm doing it, you know, and you don't really have to spend much. I mean, this hotel, I got it all from Expedia. They have a promo, actually, $25 a night, and you know, that's a good deal in my opinion. So, but yeah, like I said, it's possible. Just work on it, save a little bit, invest, and you know, I'm doing it. I mean, I don't have a high-paying job, but you know, I'm still able to travel, and you know, when it's all a matter of just money management. You know, if you don't know how to manage money, take a class. I'm pretty sure there's a class on money management out there, and you know, pretty good. So, like I was saying, you know, everything is possible. Anything. Just plan it out. I've been planning to come back here for quite some time, since last year, honestly. And how I've done it every year, I will put some, you know, some money aside. Honestly, I will put $50, $60 every time I get paid. And here I am now. It's achievable, you know. You could sacrifice eating 3 times a day just to experience certain things, then it's possible. Because I eat about what? Once a day? Uh, yeah, I eat one whole meal per day. And I'll have coffee and carbs in the morning. And, that's how I'm able to, catch a flight out here and do all these things. So it's possible, okay? Like I said, if you want to experience it, just start off small. Pick a city, your neighboring city. If you're not interested in the city, pick a neighboring state. Long driving, stay in a decent hotel, about one day, one night, or 2 nights, or even three nights, and just explore the city. Because, like I said, you never know which city uh, you'll end up moving to. Because, like I said, once you travel, you're gonna start exploring. You're gonna start seeing alternatives, and your mind will expand. Okay, your mind will definitely expand. So anyway, man, you know that's my thing on that, and I hope whoever's listening would take heed to what I'm saying. Pray.